Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today, we got a 2003 Honda Accord, and what I'm going to do is show you how to replace the front right motor mount. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, safety is number one. The first thing you want to do is jack up the front of the vehicle and set it up on jack stands. Make sure the jack stand is on both sides. Then, what you want to do is have your hydraulic jack right here with a block of wood, and it's going to be right here. Here's the front, here's the oil pan right here, an exhaust. You want to make sure you set that up right there, and then put a little bit of pressure on it. Guys, this, I can't tell you, I know a lot of people skip videos and all, go right to the job, but trust me, you do not want to miss this. Make sure you got a block of wood right here. The block of wood has to be at least 2 inches thick. If you put that jack with nothing there between the jack and the oil pan, you will crack that oil pan. You will bust that oil pan up. There's no maybe, you might, or you could be. You're going to bust it up. Keep the piece of wood right there. And just like that towards the front of the engine. Just put it there just a little bit. The next thing you want to do is go inside and you want to put on the back brake. What the back brake is, that's the emergency brake. But now we're going to call that the back brake. As you can see, I got this up already. It's the back brake. The back brake. Remember that. It's the back brake. All right. Push that up and let's get right to it. We'll be right back. All right, guys. This is the mount we're changing, and this mount is considered the front right. Don't try to order a mount compared to where it's going to be on the engine, because a lot of people say this is the front engine mount. It's not the front engine mount. When you get cars like this, it depends on where the location of the mount is in the engine bay, and this one's right on the right side. They can call this the front right. All right, the first thing we do is here's our power steering reservoir. You're just going to pick that up. It sets into a slot. I'll show you in a second. Just pick it up, and you can see right here to the side, it sets right in that slot right there. Is that pretty good? All right, and what we're going to do is just bring this over to the side, tuck that out of the way. The next thing we're going to do is you got two 17mm bolts. You got one right here, and you got one right on the other side, straight down. See that one? Here, let me put the socket on it. So. Light down here. Okay, that bolt right there. All right, so what we're gonna do? You ain't gonna need much tools at all. This. What I got is a 17mm shallow socket, 3/8 drive, and a 2-foot 3/8 drive extension. You don't need to be 2 foot, just enough to get down on the bolt and come outside from the fender so you don't mess anything up. And then you want to do is get your 3/8 drive ratchet. Pop that loose, take that bolt out, and then you want to go over here to the other side of the mount, and there's another 17mm bolt right there. Oh, yeah, got it. No, because now I can work better over this side. Just wanted to show them that bolt. All right, right there. Take that out. All right, let's take both of those bolts out, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I got one bolt out, the bolt right here, and now I'm going to reach my hand over here and pull this bolt out, and look at it, make sure both are the same length. Great. Let's put this to the side. Now what I'm going to do, this guy, again, this is this is very important. Now Yeah. They don't know what that is. Lemony Snicket. You gotta watch that show. Yeah. All right. What we gotta do now. Remember, we gotta use that hydraulic jack with that block of wood up under it. This is very important. Now, check this out. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm jacking up on the engine now with that block of wood, and I want to pick it up just till I see this mount start to move. Just like that. Don't go any further. Why? Is because you got a mount on this side over here, and this is a hydraulic mount. If you pick this engine up too much, you're gonna bust that mount, and all the fluid's gonna be out, and it's gonna be just garbage. And you're gonna be changing it for nothing. All right?
Busted.
All right. So we got that up just enough to see you can move it around. Now we got our 17mm bolt here. When I'm using my 17mm socket, same socket, but this time I'm going to use my 3/8 drive air ratchet. And what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to loosen it by hand first. Dang it.
Ratchet.
Yeah, just put it down there. All right, then airline, and take that bolt right out of there. All right, let's get that bolt out and we'll be right back. All right, guys, let's get our bolt out, take our mount, slide it, and take it right out of there.
That's it?
That's it. Look at this.
That's busted.
Busted motor mount, just like Civvy said. Busted.
Oh,
yeah. All right, guys, let's get the new one, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, here's our new mount, and we need to set this in there. Now, how the heck do we know which way this mount goes? If you look at this mount, look at the two holes over here. This side over here, it's like right in the center of the bracket, and this end of the mount, and it's right in the center. It's skinny. On this side, it looks wider, and the hole is offset. We took the mount out just like this. So, what we need to do is go over here and look at our new mount. And sure enough, there it is. Skinny side, big side. So, let's get this down there. Put this to the side. And what we're going to do first here, guys, is let's get our mount. Let's get this bolt started by hand first. Okay. Wait, then we can move it around. And let's get our two bolts. Get them started by hand. Okay. And let's get this other one. And this other one's going to be kind of difficult. Matter of fact, let's take this one out. Since that one's... And let's twist it and get this one over here first. Now, you see how difficult it is for me to get down there now? So what we're going to do here is take our 2-foot extension with our 17mm socket, grab a bolt, put a piece of paper towel on it to hold it in place. It don't have to be that tight. So in that way, now we can lower it down and get that one started. Turn it by a couple threads, make sure it don't go cross-threaded. Pop our socket up, great. Now we can go on this side, and now we can move this to where we need to move it. Perfect. Now we're not going to tighten those up yet. What we're going to do is go ahead and tighten up the top one first. Our 17mm socket, using our air ratchet. And let's go in there and tighten that up. We'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we got that done, now we're going to lower our engine. Then we're going to take our 2-foot 3/8 drive extension with our 17mm socket, and we're gonna go right ahead. And I'm gonna be using my Butterfly air gun. Let's go ahead and tighten those 2 bolts up. All right, let's tighten them up, and we'll be right back. All right, last but not least, let's take our power steering pump reservoir, bring it back over here, and it goes right into that slot right there. Push it down. Done. This job is done. Yeah, buddy. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so today we had a 2003 Honda Accord, and we showed you how to replace the right front or the front right motor mount. If you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.